Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn about while loop in Python. In our previous lecture we learnt about for loop. So when we use for loop, anytime we need to repeat a block of code a fixed number of times, we use for loop. Then when we use while loop, we use a while loop to repeat a block of code until a certain condition is met. Once the condition becomes false, the first line after the loop gets executed. So here if you see the block diagram of the while loop, what happens here? When we enter into the loop, right, when we start the loop, so there is a condition. Okay, if this condition is true, then whatever written inside that particular while loop, that will get executed, and then again it will come here and check the condition. If the condition is again true, then this one will get executed. So like that this loop will continue, and when that condition is false, so when that condition is false, it will come out of the while loop. Okay, so that's how your while loop works. That's why I told we use a while loop to repeat a block of code until a certain condition is met, and once that condition is false, the first line after the loop gets executed. Okay, once the condition is false, the loop gets terminated and the next line whatever is written there, that will get executed. Anyway, let's see with an example so you can understand it very clearly. Let's go to our PyCharm. Let me create a new Python file. We will name it as learn while loop. So let's write a piece of code using while loop. Okay, so first I will take a variable, let's say number is equal to 1. Okay, then what we will do, we will write the while loop. So we will write while, okay, number is less than equal to 5, okay, then you put the colon, okay, then what you do, you print something, print basically what is that number. Okay, we will say number is, and here we will write the number. Okay, then what we will do, we will say number is equal to number plus 1. Okay, now let me execute it. See what it is telling, number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so basically what we did here, so here we have written a while loop to print the number from 1 to 5, and the loop gets executed till the condition is true. So what is the condition here? Condition is number is less than equal to 5. So when number was less than equal to 5, till that time this loop got executed. So if you will see, initially the number value is equal to 1. Okay, then we wrote a while loop, while number means what? The value is 1. 1 is less than equal to 5. Is this correct? Yes. So condition is true. So it came inside and it print this line, print number is number. Okay, then what we did, we increased the number equal to number plus 1. It means we made the number value as 2. Okay, then when it came here, while 2 is less than equal to 5, yes, the condition is correct. That's why it print 2. Again we increase the number, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So while 3 is less than equal to 5, yes, the condition is correct. So it came inside, then it print 3. Again it increased number equal to number plus 1, means 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Then again while loop, while 4 is less than equal to 5, condition is true, then it came inside, number equal to 4, it print 4, then number equal to number plus 1, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Then what we did, while 5 is less than equal to 5, yes, that is also correct. So it came here and it print number is 5, then number equal to number plus 1, 5 plus 1 means 6, while 6 is less than equal to 5, is this correct? No. So the condition is false here, that's why it didn't come inside and the loop got terminated here. Okay, so that's how your while loop works. So one more thing, if you will notice here, let me comment out this particular line, number equal to number plus 1, and let me execute it. Okay, so what you see here, it's getting executed continuously and not stopping. So, let me stop it manually. Okay, I stopped it. As the condition is always true here, it formed an infinite while loop. So, while using while loop, make sure to update the variables used in condition inside the loop, so that it eventually evaluates to false. That is very, very important. Otherwise, the loop keeps running and create an infinite loop. Okay. So, that is all about your while loop. Okay, one more last thing, right? What is the difference between Python for loop and Python while loop? So, the main difference is that Python for loop is usually used when the number of iterations is known, whereas Python while loop is used when the number of iterations is unknown. We saw here, right, the condition for while loop will be true as long as the number variable is less than 5. So, we do not know the exact iterations, but in the for loop number of iterations is known. That is all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.